Namaste, everybody. Welcome to Green Living Path. I'm Al Yogi. This is to do with how to really help the heart, your heart health, and to increase your health overall, to more holistically, instead of using all these crazy medicines which have, short-term good effects, but long-term toxicity level that builds up in your body. So the first thing is a study, this crazy study, really good study, of 40,000 people showed that drinking green tea a few cups a day increases your overall health in your heart and your arteries because it's jam packed full of antioxidants. And also, the study showed that you had a 26% less likeliness of a heart attack when you take green tea each day. The second one was the study was done on walnuts of all things, and this was actually really interesting. Walnuts, they found in walnuts that it improves your artery and the flexibility in your arteries that connect from your heart and go all through your body. So they give you more flexibility, and it also lowered your blood pressure and also inflammation, which was really interesting. Now, what I found too is that another study with fruits, citrus fruits in particular, like lemons, grapefruit, oranges, the easy peel variety, they found that the vitamin C reduced inflammation and gave you your arteries protection and health, and also lowered blood pressure overall. And the vitamin C really helped with your overall immunity in your body. So that's another thing that's really good with eating fruits. Now, this is a big one as well. A study found green leaf vegetables have a really high nitrate level in them, which is actually good for the blood flow in your body because it produces nitrogen oxide, which increases the blood flow and oxygenation with the iron in the actual green leaf, the iron concentration, and that basically overall helped your blood and your heart, along with this um, vitamin K it's got in it, which actually inside your arteries you've got calcification that can help happen over time. And what they found with vitamin K is it helped declog the calcification in your arteries, which reduced heart failure and just overall heart risk. So eating lots of green, like a cup minimum of green leaf vegetables, is really good for you guys. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about was flaxseed oil. Obviously, I'm a vegetarian, so flaxseed oil is an alternative to fish. And fish, eating a lot of fish, you can get um, mercury poison. You have to eat a lot though, because what happens, your body can't get rid of mercury, and if you eat a lot of fish over time, it keeps on adding up the toxicity level to your body. But you have to be eating a lot, and it has to have actually a high level of mercury in. But I'm just saying, fish in general, I mean, for meat eaters, is good for you. But as an alternative, you've got flaxseed oil, which is jam packed full of omega 3. It's reduces your blood pressure. It also helps regulate your sugar levels, your blood sugar levels in your blood, and helps diabetes and overall cholesterol. Studies have also shown it helps stop the spread of cancer, but it also that the studies need to be more long term before they conclusively um, validate that statement I just made, because I've got a science background from Auckland University. So you've got to basically have long-term studies. You can't just have a short-term study and say that that's it. You need to have long-term studies over 20, 30 years of, a variety of people in there. Now, the last one I wanted to talk about is turmeric. Now, turmeric has got this chemical in called corundum, which lowers the inflation inflammation in the body, which is really, really good because as you age, you get more inflammation. It lowers the blood pressure as well, and it gives you a healthy overall immune system, and it also helps brain function as well. Now, I've got a little bonus for you here, guys. Now, in the mornings, I have 2 bags of green tea, and then I have super fruits in there, 2 tea bags, and I put turmeric, put a bit of black pepper in with the turmeric because that helps the absorption into your body. And then basically you put in cinnamon as well, which is jam-packed full of minerals and antioxidants, extremely high, which is a very cheap source of getting these great minerals for your body. And I also put a teaspoon of honey. Now, honey has got an interesting property. When you're drinking warm tea, so I put water in it as well, and I have honey, it reduces the weight in your body as well. So that's just another bonus to help you overall. But it's really good to do a bit of exercise as well because that increases the blood flow and also helps your overall heart health. Running all the time is not good long term for your heart. So you want to do a mixture. You want to do walking, you do a bit of running, you want to do some salute to the sun, maybe some burpees. So you get a variety of different aerobic exercise in your body as well. So you're not just focusing on one particular exercise. So I do burpees and salute to the sun each day with my yoga practice, and I find that it really helps my cardiovascular system operate at a higher level. And also breathing in through the nose, pranayama, deeply into the stomach, and breathing out each day and blowing like through a straw helps purify your whole system. So you breathe in through the nose and then breathe through the mouth like a straw, blowing through a straw through your mouth. And that actually helps release tension and purifies the whole blood in your body. So that's an overall general health for your heart, your arteries, your immune system, and a simple, cheap way of doing it, guys. So if you liked it, boop, subscribe, thumbs up. It's lovely to have you all Green Living Tribe. So namaste, guys. Bye for now.